Alright guys, this is it. Get a good look at it. No more B series for the little Civic. And guys, look at all the shit that's built up in there. It reeks in here, guys. This is gonna suck. But anyways, it's time to rip out the motor. That was a good run. Honestly, this motor was just in here for like one track event, and that was it. That's all she wrote. That was a good run though. Did good at the track. But guys, we gotta move on. We gotta give this whole thing a huge makeover. As you guys can see, it's not in the best shape. So it all starts with taking out the motor. David started jacking up my car, and look,
this shit ran out.
The world's tiniest lizard came out.
Where is it?
Lil, you're gonna scare it.
Oh shit.
Oh damn, this shit's fast. Well, whatever. Alright guys, so far it's been like 15 minutes. Batteries out, intake's out, most of the harness disconnected. We got the strip bar off, and took out the radiator. And yeah, right now just we're gonna take out the fuel line, and we're gonna jack up the car, disconnect the exhaust, and I think that's pretty much it. Disconnect everything else, and then take out the axles. So goal is 7:30, guys. Right now 5:28. Got an hour and a half. Let's get it.
Is it gonna fit? Huh?
Wah. Wah.
Wait, don't spin it, Spin it to the left. There you go, take it out. The bumper's in the way. Take the bumper off.
Dave, I thought you had to take off the bumper. hey, Dave, I thought you had to take off.
I don't know. I'm retarded.
Guys, have you guys ever wondered what my exhaust looked like?
Neat.
Straight pipe.
Wait, a bolt fell?
Hey, fuck it. No exhaust leak though. Alright guys, so there's the exhaust. Alright, all that's left is shift linkage, axles, and then that's pretty much it. Alright guys, shift linkage is now out, so basically it's just suspension.
I don't know, ask Andy.
What
There's
happened?
shit in here. How?
I don't want to talk about it. Alright, I really don't want to talk about it. Anyways guys, now it's just suspension, axles, and this thing is ready. And we're half an hour in. We still got an hour.
Well,
sheesh, David, you put in work?
yeah, you feel me?
Sheesh, that's my boy. Also guys, the homie Miguel pulled up. I'm selling him my door speakers. I might as well. I'm selling the motor, guys. He hit me up for speakers. I was just like, I'm not gonna be driving the car. I'll get speakers later. Keeps the money, but guys, I'm not the only one with carbon. Look, he also threw on this carbon hood. This thing looks so clean. What's up, Joey? My boy Joey pulled up. And guys, Joey went way lower. I honestly think he's lower than Joseph now. When Joseph pulls up, I'll let you guys be the judge of that. With that being said, engine is ready to come out. And what time is it? Hold on. 7:04. And guys, we were like hella lagging. Like we jerked off a little bit. Took like 5 water breaks, clocked into lunch.
Played around in Fortnite.
Yeah, we got a little
What happened to fuck Fortnite?
Hey man, David is, I don't know, once we actually get into it, it's just like, it's addicting, bro. I hate you say it. Like I used to say fuck Fortnite, but it's addicting. I don't know what you say, bro. Me and David been gaming it. Hey, let's play tonight.
I'm down.
Hop on, Leo.
Want to buy 44? Nah, it's free.
Guys, I think Joseph's coming in like 5, 4, 3, 2, 2.5, 1 3/4. That wasn't was it Joseph? Oh no, oh wait, yeah. This? Like I said, I'll let you be the judge. I say Joey's lower. You agree, David? What do you think?
He looks lower.
Yeah, I think Joey's lower, bro. Ooh, Joseph.
Put the trunk on, dude.
Yeah, I'm gonna put the trunk on tomorrow, probably.
That looks fucking sick, dude.
Thanks, bro. I still need to fuck with the Fitment just a little bit. Like, this is sticking up for I don't know why, but after I fix that, the Fitment will pretty be on
Jesse
point.
said that you guys didn't know they were vented or not.
I didn't know they were vented, bro.
That's sick. It looks aggressive. It looks badass with the chrome wheels.
Thanks, bro. Hey, quick question. I'm like hella debating, should I leave the mesh like that or should I paint it black? The mesh on the vent.
I don't know. It kind of goes with the wheels.
Yeah, but I don't know. I feel like black would look nice.
Do what?
Get that shit, dude! I'm getting it! Get it!
I'm getting it! Oh, I'm going too hard. My bad.
Nah, you good, bro. You good.
Well, if the engine being can scratch, fuck it.
Yeah, don't even worry about that. David, get it!
Alright, bet.
I just should just park in the front. Just drop it now?
And almost there. Pretty good. Roll it out. Yeah, with it. Guys, we are hella deep right now. Like, color's kind of badass, actually. What's up, Brian?
Damn, your hands are dirty.
Yeah, bro.
How you doing, dude?
Just got done pulling out that motor.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Guys, it's been such a productive day. So earlier put on the fenders, which, by the way, guys, you know what's so fucked up? The fenders took almost 3 times as long as it took to take out a whole motor. I don't know, we're just so used to it. That Civic has been molested for over and over again. What was that, like the 5th time taking out the motor?
Probably, most likely.
Yeah, guys, so we had, I think the single cam was like twice, and then it's like the 3rd time taking out the B. And also, guys, tomorrow, so I didn't say this, I don't think I mentioned it, but I got smaller tires. The reason the other ones were all buckled was because the tires were too big. So today I went ahead and got smaller tires, so I am now on 205/45s. Before they were 215s. So as you guys can see, it did raise it a little bit, so I have room to lower it more, especially after I shave the inside. So tomorrow I'm gonna shave all the tabs, go lower. I'm also gonna paint the mesh. It's gonna look so good. Also, guys, I haven't showed David's G. It's been a while. Sitting pretty still. What's going on over here, Joseph?
Huh?
What's going on?
Putting in security.
It's a card?
Yeah, what's that? I don't know. Cut.
What the fuck is he talking about?
What's the fucking house security?
ADT?
I was gonna say AT&T, but I want something else.
Alright, guys, so we're currently waiting for the guy to come up and pick up all the stuff. So we gotta clean up, we gotta throw back on the suspension and the wheels, roll the Civic back into there. It's gonna be her home again. Where'd you put that? So guys, now videos are gonna start rolling on the Civic more. We're actually gonna start shaving the bay. Well, first I think we're gonna sand everything down, do body work, and then shave the bay and all that. And we for sure need to pressure wash all this shit out of here because it smells, it reeks. I wish you guys could, like, I don't wish you guys could smell it, but you know what I mean. That being said, we still have a few things to take care of, so I'm gonna go ahead and end off the video right here. So yeah, guys, no more B series. Some of you guys guessed in the comments what's going in next. I'm so hyped for that, but yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like if you did, subscribe if you're new, and guys, if you're new, You see all the stuff that's going on, guys. Like there's so much stuff going on. You see the fenders, you see the 3 IS300s, you see the EK hatch over there, you see the G over there peeking, creeping. You see the hatch, you see the Nissan, guys. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe, guys. It's lit as hell. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. You see more of this cute ass. You see more of fucking the magician, the man. You guys have
myth.
The myth, the legends.
The legend.
You guys got anything to end off the video with?
Leo, finish it.
Montlicky.